High demand just shook the Gemini ecosystem. Google is scaling back free access to Gemini 3 Pro. At launch, free users had up to 5 daily prompts and 3 image generations with Nano Banana Pro, just like Gemini 2.5. Now, that's changed. Free users get only basic access, with daily prompt limits that shift without warning. Image generation is even tighter, down to 2 images per day, and those reset depending on server load. NotebookLM features like Infographics and Slide Decks, temporarily pulled for free users. Pro accounts now have extra limits too. Infographics let you craft sleek visual summaries, adjust layout, detail level, and even design style. Slide decks generate ready-to-use presentations. Go visual with presenter slides, or go deep with full reading decks. Important? Google AI Pro and Ultra users still have full access. No changes there, yet. With the AI boom accelerating, Google's balancing innovation and infrastructure, expect more adaptive limits ahead. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.